An update on the dual registration of voters.
So, in respect to the duplicate epics are concerned, so there are 524 cases has been identified in the Meghalaya. So, all 524 has been allowed with the new epic number. This is the matter where the same epic number, but it has been found in the different state with the same epic but the two persons name. So that has been rectified, and on the initiative of Honorable Election Commission of India, the detailed exercise has been conducted, and they identified all the duplicates. They have been allotted new epic number, and all 524 epic card has been downloaded and delivered to the.
How do we do for a person? He or she has to delete when he or she finds there are two epics are there in states, or
No, it is basically, I am just telling it. It is in respect to the same, and mostly it is out of the state. Within state, we rectify. We find out the same epic number is not been allotted to the two persons. But since this exercise at the country is so vast and big, it is very difficult immediately to. So, in the due process, there are very few number. Like in term of Meghalaya, we found 524. So all states have taken up this exercise, but now it has been identified and new epic number has been given.
there is a fear that both can be deleted. How do you get the consent of the voter that which area he wants to belong?
No, basically all these this exercise, they are already voter here. Our voter, if they are then on the epic card, if the new epic number is being generated, then old epic number is also in these kind of cases is mentioned in that particular epic. That provision has been made, and accordingly these new epics are made and delivered to the people.
So these 524 are the ones which interstate.